If you're wondering how to use CrankWheel for live queue and AMP, sessions, and whether it's the right tool for you, this quick guide will give you everything you need to know. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a few alternatives that might be a better fit depending on your needs. First, let's talk about CrankWheel itself. It's a simple, no-fuss screen sharing tool that allows you to share your screen with customers in real time without requiring them to install any software. For live queue and AMP, sessions, this can be a game changer, especially if you're trying to engage with people who might not be very tech savvy. Next thing, setting up a session is incredibly easy. All you need is an email address to send an invite. As soon as your participant clicks the link, they can instantly view your screen. This is key for queue and AMP, sessions, because it allows you to show exactly what you're talking about without losing any of your audience's attention. You can share anything from your desktop, a PowerPoint presentation, or even your browser window. There's no need for them to download any software, and that's one of CrankWheel's major selling points. Now, let's dive into how you can organize a live queue and AMP. A. You can create a unique CrankWheel session for each meeting. When you start a session, you'll get a link that you can send directly to your viewers, and they'll join with just one click. This makes it perfect for real-time interactions because it's quick and simple with zero friction for your audience. But here's the thing, it works best for small groups. If you're dealing with a larger audience, you might find CrankWheel a bit limiting. The fourth thing to consider is the control you have during the session. You can stop screen sharing at any time and even control what the participant sees. This allows you to easily manage a live queue and AMP, where you may need to switch between different pieces of content or address questions directly. But while CrankWheel is a solid option, it's not always the best for every situation. For example, there's no built-in chat function to manage questions, so you might need an additional tool like Zoom or Google Meet if you're dealing with a larger or more complex queue and AMP, a session. The lack of integrated video support is another drawback as it relies solely on screen sharing. Finally, if you're looking for a tool that's a bit more versatile for your live queue and AMP, sessions, I'd recommend checking out some alternatives. One option that offers more robust features is Alternative Software Name, which includes live chat, video support, and better scalability for larger audiences. They also provide an extended free trial for new users, and through our link, you'll get the best deal, which includes exclusive benefits only available to you as a viewer of this video. So, CrankWheel can definitely work for live queue and AMP, sessions, especially if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use. But if you want something more interactive and versatile, it might be worth exploring some alternatives. Don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial through the link below and take advantage of the features that could make your live queue and AMP, sessions even more impactful.